In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana, a powerful tool for project management and team collaboration. By the end of this guide, you will be equipped with all the knowledge you need to streamline your workflow and optimize productivity using Asana's task management features. Let's begin by navigating to Asana's login page. Once you're there, you'll want to enter your email address. This is the same email you used when you set up your Asana account. After entering your email, click the Continue button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to input your password. Ensure your password is entered correctly to avoid login issues. With your credentials in place, go ahead and click on Log In, and you'll be directed to your Asana homepage. Now, welcome to the Asana interface. Here, you might see a list of ongoing projects and tasks, depending on your organization's usage of Asana. The dashboard is designed to be user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. To create a new task, locate your project and click on it. You'll see an option to add a task or subtask. This is where the magic begins. Start by filling in all the necessary details, the task name, description, due date, and any attachments that are relevant, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Once you've created the task, click on it to open the details pane on the right side of your screen. This section provides a comprehensive view of the task, allowing you to edit details, add notes or comments. Here's where you assign the task to team members. Find the Asana field and click it, which allows you to select who will be responsible for completing this task. Asana even provides the option to assign the task to multiple people. For larger projects, this feature can be particularly useful. In the Asana field, start typing in the names or email addresses of the people to whom you plan to assign the task. As you type, suggestions will pop up, making it easier to quickly select your teammates. After you've selected all the relevant people, simply click the Assign button to finalize the assignment. This step ensures everyone you've chosen will receive a copy of the task, keeping them in the loop. And there you have it. That's how you create and assign tasks in Asana. This process not only helps in delegating tasks efficiently, but also fosters better communication within your team. By using Asana effectively, you'll find your task management and team collaboration greatly improved, making it an essential tool in your project management arsenal. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out using the platform's help resources.